Worked example. We have the normal equation theta hat equals x transpose x inverse x transpose y. Let us work through a complete example with actual numbers. Every step from building the matrices to plotting the result. Here is our data. 4 points, x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, y equals 0, 1, 2, 3. These happen to fall on a perfect line. Let us see if the normal equation recovers that line. First, build the design matrix X. Each row has a 1 for the intercept and the X value. Row 1 is 1, 0. Row 2 is 1, 1. Row 3 is 1, 2. Row 4 is 1, 3. X is a 4 by 2 matrix. Compute X transpose X. X transpose is a 2 by 4 matrix. Multiply by X, a 4 by 2 matrix. The result is a 2 by 2 matrix. Entry 1, 1 is the sum of 1 squared, which is 4. Entry 1, 2 is the sum of X values, which is 6. Entry 2, 1 is also 6 by symmetry. Entry 2, 2 is the sum of X squared. 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 equals 14. So X transpose X is the matrix 4, 6, 6, 14. Now compute X transpose Y. This is a 2 by 4 matrix times a 4 by 1 vector. The first entry is the sum of Y values, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. The second entry is the sum of X times Y, 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 equals 14. So X transpose Y is the vector 6, 14. Invert X transpose X for a 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D. The inverse is 1 over the determinant times D minus B minus C. A, the determinant is 4 times 14 minus 6 times 6, which is 56 minus 36 equals 20. So the inverse is 1/20 times 14 minus 6 minus 6, 4. Multiply the inverse by X transpose Y. 1/20 times 14 times 6 plus negative 6 times 14 equals 1/20 times 84 minus 84 equals 0. That is theta 0. 1/20 times negative 6 times 6 plus 4 times 14 equals 1/20 times negative 36 plus 56 equals 1. That is theta 1. So theta hat is 0, 1. The fitted line is y hat equals 0 plus 1 times x, which is simply y hat equals x. It passes perfectly through all 4 points. Theta 0 equals 0 means the line passes through the origin. Theta 1 equals 1 means the slope is exactly 1. The normal equation recovered the perfect line. We built X, computed X transpose X and X transpose Y, inverted and multiplied. The result matched the data perfectly. In real data, the fit will not be perfect, but the process is exactly the same. Next, we see what happens when the data has an outlier.